Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Annisa Aulia Rahman and I'm a student of English Diploma Diploma University. What I want to do now is I want to present about my proposal, which the title is Making Website in English and Indonesian to Inform the Tourists in Puri Mataram. And here is the chapter 1 introduction. The first one is background. Why I chose this title is because the facilities and tourist attraction at Puri Mataram are adequate, but the lack of information of this potential tourist spot make it unknown to local and foreign tourists. And based on the explanation above, the author wants to describe the tourist attraction of Puri Mataram and make a bilingual website both in English and Indonesia so that Puri Mataram can be known not only by local tourists but also foreign tourists. And for the aims and the advantages of this proposal are: first, to describe the importance of websites to inform the tourists in Puri Mataram, and then to make website bilingual both in English and Indonesia to inform the tourists about Puri Mataram. And for the advantages of this proposal are giving an informational website in English and Indonesian about Puri Mataram to the management of Puri Mataram. And the last, the advantage of this proposal is to give help to the tourists in Puri Mataram by using the website. And then on the second chapter, there is a literature review. And in this chapter, we'll describe definition of website and its function, the importance of English language, and the definition of information. And first one, definition of website based on Cambridge Dictionary. Website is a set of pages of information on the internet about a particular subject published by a single person or organization. And then the definition of English language based on Larry A. Smith, 1976. English is an international language used in communicating with other countries, while it is also an auxiliary language used communicating within nations. And the last, definition of information. Based on Oxford Dictionary, definition of information are facts or details about somebody or something. And the next is chapter 3. There is research methodology. In this research methodology, I use qualitative research method. What is research methodology? What is qualitative research? Qualitative researchers study things in their natural settings, attempting to make sense of or to interpret phenomena in terms of the meaning people bring to them. In this research methodology, my research subject in this proposal is tourist attraction of Puri Mataram. And the technique that I use in this proposal are observation. According to Ari Kunto, observation is collecting data or description that must be executed by making efforts, direct observation to the spot which will be investigated. And the researcher will make observation in the Puri Mataram environment and observe directly the place which is the object of research. And the second technique, I will use interview. The author will do the interview method to gain more information of Mataram. And the last, I will use research and development technique to make the website. Based on the definition, there are several types of research and development process. According to Spouches and Koval, the first step is define. We should define the problem that happened during operational process and identify the causes and impacts. Also define all the possibilities related to the problem to find the right solution. And the next, analyze. Analyzing the need of the market, customers, and look for ways to increase company productivity and find alternative ways. And then the third step is design or develop. Design the blend of solutions that are more feasible and optimal to use. And next, trial. Trial is conducted to test whether the product or service can be accepted by internal or external parties. And the last is evaluate. Evaluate and revise product based on the information and result. And here are my references. I took some information from this book, from this website to arrange my proposal. I think that's all for me. Thank you for the attention. Have a good day.